Let me show you how you can search passwords on the iPad. Well, passwords are definitely sensitive information, so it's not like you can just swipe down and use the spotlight search to look up the password specifically, but you can type in the passwords to find the passwords app. That is the manager where you most likely have the codes or passwords saved. So you can get inside like this. Make sure you authenticate yourself with the Face ID or even a passcode as an alternative method like this. And once you get inside, you're going to notice that there is in fact going to be the search field in the top right corner. So you can obviously scroll through the apps which you might have saved in here, but you can go to the search and type in, for example, Facebook, right? And you're going to quickly find the password which you are looking for. So that's how you can quickly search for your passwords and find the one which you need. But in practice, if you ask me honestly, well, I usually don't even have to look it up in here, because the next time I try to sign in to Facebook, for example, through the app or even on the browser, I just type in the username and I get suggested the password automatically. So I don't even have to go to the manager app, copy it and paste it somewhere else. It all works very naturally and it's all connected. So I don't even have to worry about that at all. So I hope it helped. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now and I'll see you later in the next videos.